anti-aging creams, serums, and supplements. There is no shortage of products out there claiming to reverse the age clock, right? We see them everywhere, promising smoother skin and fewer wrinkles. Yes, that's right. Products like sunscreens and retinols have already proven their anti-aging benefits. But some people are really concerned about the synthetic chemicals, their long-term effects on the environment, health, and of course, hefty price tags. Also, some sensitive skin types cannot tolerate the regular usage of these anti-aging creams or serums. But what if I told you there is a better, more natural way to support your skin and slow down aging or aging-related health problems? Aging is inevitable, but all I am saying is you can keep away age-related health problems, delay skin degradation and wrinkles if you make some changes to your daily food habits. We all know the obvious signs of aging. Wrinkles, grey hair, a slightly stooped posture, perhaps some senior moments of forgetfulness. From the moment of our birth, each of our cells and hence our tissues and organs begin a process of aging. Early in life, of course, we still are growing and expanding the number of cells that we have. The cells are aging, but so slightly that we can't see it. We just see the body growing and developing. At some point in life, often in the 30s, the telltale signs of aging begin to be apparent. They can be seen in everything from our vital signs like blood pressure to our skin, to our bone and joints, to our cardiovascular, digestive and nervous systems and beyond. Among the several factors that are believed to play a significant part in the age-linked decline of our body functions, free radicals that include reactive nitrogen species and reactive oxygen species are the major contributors of aging. Free radicals and reactive species are natural byproducts that are generated in our body through physiological and environmental processes. Free radicals are normally generated as a result of ATP production in the mitochondria when cells use oxygen to produce energy. Thus, an imbalance between the overproduction of the free radicals in the body and the potential of a biological system to detoxify this reactive substance result in oxidative stress, which is the leading factor in the development of several degenerative and age-linked chronic disorders. There are plenty of evidences that proposed the oxidative stress produced in the mitochondria as a byproduct of cellular respiration is a main reason for aging. Now, how does consuming fruits delay aging-related symptoms? Fruits contain substances like antioxidants that protect the cell from free radical damage by neutralizing and scavenging them. Various fruits and their derivatives are well known to hold an elevated level of naturally occurring polyphenolic compounds. Polyphenols are the plant's secondary metabolites with antioxidant properties that function as free radical inhibitors and play a vital part in reducing oxidative stress that ultimately prevents aging and their associated diseases. Stick with me for the next few minutes as we are going to explore the top 5 fruits with incredible anti-aging benefits that are backed by scientific research evidences. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which combat free radicals. Studies have shown that the high antioxidant content in the blueberries help repair the DNA damage caused by the UV rays. This is crucial because UV exposure is one of the main factors in the premature aging. Add them to your diet regularly and you will be doing your skin a major favor. Number 2. Red grapes. Gallic acid is a powerful antioxidant present in the red grapes, which have antioxidant activity triple times more than that of the vitamin E or C. Resveratrol is a natural phenolic compound that has been found in the grapes. Resveratrol could protect against age-related disease such as neurodegenerative disease, cardiovascular disease, infertility, osteoporosis, and cancers. 3. Papaya. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain that gently breaks down the dead skin cells, helping your skin look brighter and more youthful. This natural exfoliation process can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and give your skin a smoother texture. Studies have found that the unripe papaya fruit extract have the potential to delay skin aging. Number 4. Orange. We all know orange are a great source of vitamin C. But did you know that vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients for youthful skin? Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, which keeps your skin firm and resilient. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, which means it fights the free radicals and protects your skin from damage caused by pollution, sun exposure, and even stress. Number 5. Pomegranate. There are clinical studies that have proved daily oral pomegranate intake can be helpful to protect against UVB-induced skin damage. Whether you are adding them to your salad, smoothies, or just snacking on them, pomegranates are a delicious and powerful ally in your anti-aging journey. So there you have it, 5 fruits that you can work wonders for your skin. Whether you are eating them or incorporating them into your skincare routine, these fruits are nature's anti-aging gift. Now tell me which fruit are going to add to your daily routine. Let me know in the comments below if you know more fruits and anti-aging properties. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Until next time, stay glowing.